Ever wondered how top semiconductor companies achieve flawless laser soldering? The secret lies in our advanced technology. Our laser soldering solutions offer unmatched precision, with CCD observation ensuring the image and laser beam focus are perfectly coaxial. From 1 mm to 5 mm, our system adapts to any welding range, overcoming the challenge of varying solder joint sizes on the same PCB. With temperature feedback, we control welding to a precision of plus or minus 2 degrees, protecting sensitive components from heat damage. Our compound lens structure eliminates focus issues, ensuring uniform and reliable welding across all applications. Why settle for less when you can have the best? Our laser soldering solutions are trusted by the industry's top names. Ready to revolutionize your welding process? Discover how our technology can elevate your production to the next level.